The great snorkel spot might have been a bit of an over-exaggeration. You can see the Makena crater over on the side there. Snorkeled there a few days ago.
You're laying me.
I'm laying you.
Guys, we are in a cloud.
It is a great way to end the day. We woke up really early this morning and we decided to go to Ahihi Bay, but the parking lot is closed right now. So we found a great snorkel spot, and it's quite beautiful here in the morning. So we're going to start our snorkel adventure. Maybe we'll check out Ahihi after, and then we're planning on going to the 5 caves. Well, I think the great snorkel spot might have been a bit of an over-exaggeration. I'd call it the moderate snorkeling spot at best. We didn't even record anything. Ahihi Bay is open. I'm really excited about it, mostly because I like the word Ahihi. It's funny. The Ahihi Reserve has this beautiful black sand beach. It's kind of rocky. We've got nice signs here telling you where to enter. You can see the Makena crater over on the side there. Snorkeled there a few days ago.
Ahihi Bay was pretty good. There was a huge rock filled with coral, so that you had to swim around to get out to there. This is my #1 choice, for sure. And then Kapalua, and then Black Rock. Well, we're here at 5 caves, and I'm trying to figure out what's a cave and what's not. What's just a ledge.
I think we need to go around that way.
I think so too. But it's a beautiful view. Look at those houses. Oh man. Do you feel the riptide just pull you in?
No.
Oh, I did.
I think we still have to keep going that way.
I think so too.
I don't think we're far enough.
There's like basically a U-shaped coral area, and the pull is really strong from the waves. So that's why I swam out.
Well, we finished snorkeling over at 5 caves. I think it was more of a scuba place than a snorkel place. Now we're gonna go make some lakes.
You're laying me.
I'm laying you.
Guys, we made bracelets.
We've got a mix and mingle lunch event today with mimosas. Amber decided to get all dressed up and flowery.
We forgot the GoPro again. My bad.
Also my bad.
Also Brad's bad because he's my backup. We are in a cloud. Can't see much. It's Brad said we could put up the top when it gets to 60. And it's 61. And it's cold.
How warm was it when we left?
And rainy. It was 92, 93 when we were down in the valley. I'm getting pretty chilly. Well, here at Sliding Sands, there's the crater that you can't see. I guess we should have gotten here a little earlier, but we had to go make our lays. Look at that view. We just did the sunset on Haleakala and it's gorgeous.
After a 2.5 mile hike down the Sliding Sands trail, it is a great way to end the day.
You can see the entire rest of the island.
We're going to here.
Oh.